our citizens, sir. Speaker, sir, the Ganga River traverses through Hooghly districts, approximately 74 kilometers, sir, of which around 34 kilometers are urban and 44 kilometers are rural, sir. The rural stretch predominantly falls within this Balagarh block, sir. A more than 2 kilometer stretch of the riverbank area from Guptipara Ferry Ghat onwards in Balagarh is experiencing rapid erosion affecting our 9 Gram Panchayats, sir. In the rural areas, there are several char lands, sir. Thousands of families are losing their homes, agricultural land because of this, and access to basic amenities, sir, due to the relentless force of nature in this whole region. Lack of proper dredging has further aggravated this situation, leading to the formation of sandbars, sir. These sandbars obstruct the natural flow of the Ganga River, causing erosion and further damages, sir. I will take only few seconds more, sir. Speaker, sir, there is an urgent need for a comprehensive Balagarh master plan. 1. Commission and comprehensive study to evaluate the extent of erosion and understand underlying causes under vulnerability zones. Number 2, sir, construct and maintain robust embankments by reinforcing the vulnerable stretches, sir. Number 3, sir, initiate timely dredging operations to maintain the river's depth, prevent sandbar formation and stabilize the river banks, sir. I request the government to protect our